go ahead. Yes.
Yeah, good morning everyone. My name is Purna. I am working on DevOps engineer. My project is observability. I'm working in Mumbai. Actually, today I will try to showcase an observability setup, CloudWatch integration to Grafana, how it is work, what is the advantages of CloudWatch integration Grafana, how it is work, how metrics is coming in Grafana. I will show you. I share my screen. My screen is visible.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is the architecture diagram. What I am told. First, I will tell the architecture diagram. In this diagram, there is a 3 AWS accounts is there. 1, 2, 3. Each AWS account have a CloudWatch. CloudWatch is a internal AWS service. It is a monitoring tool. Which services in the AWS CloudWatch is monitoring those services and give the metrics and give the dashboards and visualization in CloudWatch. Today we try to achieve the to Grafana to integration to CloudWatch. How it is work? See, this is the first AWS account. In this AWS account, have a CloudWatch. This AWS account have a CloudWatch. This AWS account have a CloudWatch. To integrate with help of IAM role, these three CloudWatch, these three CloudWatches to this Grafana. This Grafana which is deployed in EC2 instance. This is centralized AWS account. This Grafana able to see the all CloudWatch metrics within three accounts. Understand everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. That means all the logs we can verify if there is any EC2 AWS account have the problem, and we are able to see in the Grafana
Yes.
alert monitoring kind of thing.
Yes. Which metrics is available in CloudWatch? All data is showing in Grafana. That is the purpose of integration.
Okay.
Each and every metrics, logs,
Okay.
metrics, anything.
Okay.
Okay, I will start. This prerequisites is create one EC2 instance. In that EC2 instance, need to install the Grafana and create the IAM roles to integrate with CloudWatch to Grafana. Everyone aware of IAM role, right? What is the IAM role?
Yes.
Yeah, I will start.
Sai, in between, if any request comes, just accept it, Sai.
Yes, Anna, sure.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is the AWS account. First, I create the one EC2 instance. That EC2 instance name is Grafana. I created the public subnet only. Using Grafana demo key pair.
So, Punasai, in your environment, like for Grafana, what type of instance missions you are using?
No. Actually, in my environment, using cluster in Grafana.
Okay, like that's okay. But what type is it type you guys are using?
Actually, in Grafana, mostly using M5 Xlarge or more than because of in my all environment users are using Grafana every time. That way, take some large mission.
So you are using M5 Xlarge.
Yes, M5 Xlarge.
Okay, sure. Please, guys, in between if the topics, you can ask that questions as well.
One minute, it is initializing.
Purna, just one question. You have used the PEM file as um, Grafana, which you have created.
Yes.
Earlier, sir used to. Can we use already exist
Yes,
Q
yes,
also PEM Q?
yes, yes. It is also possible.
Okay.
Actually, which is Anna used PEM file. I did not have that PEM file. That's why I created new one.
Okay. Thank you.
This is one more tool, Lalita, for connecting to the cluster, right? Other than the Git bash, this is the one more tool you can use to connect to the EC2 machines.
Similar like Git bash only.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, another tool, Putty. This is called Putty. Olden days, this is very popular.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I log into the EC2 instance. Actually, I prepared the one Grafana commands. I copy and paste it. Just I created one SH file. These commands are for installing Grafana. Previously, you install the Apache or something. The same like I am installing the Grafana in that node. And this is my shell script file. I give the some permissions for running this file. Now I run this file. No, see, Grafana is installed in the EC2 instance. Status active. After that, I go to the EC2 instance security group. Add some rules. This is the security group of this EC2 instance. First need to add one rule, that is a 3000 port. It is a which is running on Grafana by default 3000 port. After that, add 280 port to allowing the our request in browser. I added anywhere. Save the rule. Now I try to access Grafana in your browser. This is the IP. By default password is admin. This it asking any create new password. I skipping. This is the Grafana UI. Now we are integrate. Now I integrate the CloudWatch to Grafana. I created those IAM roles. Go to the IAM service. Roles. Create one role. In here, this role is This role is used to EC2. Create for select the EC2 in EC2. And next, just create the role. Create the role. After we will need to attach the policy. Role name is Grafana CloudWatch. Grafana CloudWatch integration. Yeah, role is created. Now we need to attach the policy and create the one policy. Yes, sir. CloudWatch integration. This document you give the complete information. What is the policy of how to attach? Like this policy attached. Policy name also. CloudWatch custom policy. In
Just
this part,
sorry, can you just copy paste it in the notepad? Just can you explain that what this policy is doing?
okay. Yeah, this is the policy. This is the policy. This policy
Yeah, I'm unable to hear. Anyone?
Yeah, same. I think some network issue. Let's just
Okay.
we'll wait for 1 more minute. Let's see.
Hello.
Yeah, you back.
Yeah.
We can hear you. Let me make it as a post.
Now can I start?
Yeah, you can share.
Yeah. For logs permissions, which logs is available in CloudWatch need to showcase in Grafana for logging permissions. These permissions.
No,
For,
you cannot see your screen. You have to say it back.
okay.
No, in between you lost for 2 minutes.
Okay.
Even I didn't hear about the why that policy is.
Yeah, where.
Yeah. Now my screen is visible.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the policy. Which attached to the time role. Using this policy, EC2 instance, that EC2 instance like nothing but that Grafana able to scrape the CloudWatch metrics. For this is the metrics for metric related permissions like describe the alarm, describe the history, describe the list of metrics, how many metrics is available in CloudWatch. It is able to scrape the Grafana, like get the metrics, get the insight reports. This is the logging related metrics. Which logs is available in CloudWatch using this permission. Using this permission, that Grafana able to scrape that metrics. This is the tags related one. This the describe the EC2 instance, describe the region. This is the some permissions resource, tag resource to effect allow, like this is the policy. Yeah, created the policy. After creating, attach to the this policy to our role.
Grafana integration. Integration.
Okay. Now go to the add permissions, attach the policy. Our custom policy name is Grafana CloudWatch custom policy. Now created the role. Now go to the EC2 instance. This role attached to that EC2 instance. This is our EC2 instance. And go to the modify IAM role. Attach to this role. And this is our IAM role attaching. Now our role is attached to EC2 instance. Now go to the Grafana. In Grafana, add the data source. Data source means data source. It is a where the data is available. To how to integrate Grafana. To integrate the Grafana, the data source. Alerting. Connections. Data source. Add data source. Like here, add the data source, select the CloudWatch. Many of data sources there in Grafana. Like this account is as a consider as a production account. For testing data sources added or not, go to the tab and go to the Explorer. Here it's showing production. Like these metrics are coming. Initially, any metrics is not coming in Grafana side. After that, integrating the data source, metrics are coming. Like CPU utilization. Okay, like see for filtering instance ID. Now see, all metrics are coming here. This is the CPU percentage for all instance. In this account there is a 4 instances there. That 4 instance matrix is showing in Grafana.
So anyone wanted to have discussion on this thing? Like anyone? Can you guys want to ask something?
Punna, for searching the policies in Google, which link is preferred? I think so many policies is there in that document.
Yes.
You have copied only one, and
Yes.
why and which one is
Actually,
suitable for this one?
this is the Grafana official one. That's why I'm choosing this. This is a provided for a Grafana. This is the Grafana Labs website. And I will share this.
No, the question is, sorry, Purna, here you have many, like you have other sections as well, right? Here, like for example, one
Yes,
above.
yes. Actually,
So
yes,
which one
yes.
has to
Yeah.
be picked up? That's what I think the question.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Okay. Got it. Actually, this is a only using this policy, only metrics are coming. See, logs permissions are not there.
Yeah. Above you see that they have also mentioned that tag. Like if you go little down here, they
Yeah,
mentioned
metrics
that-
only.
Metrics
Okay.
permissions only. Here
Okay.
logs permissions only. I'm using this
Okay.
policy, logs and
Okay.
metrics.
Okay.
Actually,
Fine.
as of now, logs are not needed. In future, any requirements come na, that a time no need to change the policy. Give the some permissions. It will able to fetch the logs permissions also. That's why I'm using this policy.
Okay. Thank you, Sai.
Yeah. Any doubts?
Which metrics you frequently you check for in your project?
Actually, RAM, CPU, network in, network out.
So when here they have mentioned 0.26 and all, right?
Yes.
So,
This is the percentage of that CPU metric.
if it is overloaded with the data
Yes.
something,
Yes. It is a overloaded in my environment. There is a alert will trigger.
So
For
just it
example,
will go. Sorry, 1 second. I think see this is the CPU usage. We have one CPU at T2 micro. So there is chances it will go like 80%, 90%, certain cases as well if it is overloaded.
that time we need to report or what?
Yeah. That you will. That's he'll tell that like yeah we need report. We need to see that something what went wrong. Yeah.
actually, in my environment, yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, Sai, actually, there are, as per my environment, in alerts monitoring, there are the three kind of thing like critical, warning, and low. So based on the 80%, 90%, 99%. So accordingly, these alerts will be triggered, or is there in other prescriptions?
Actually, in alerts, we need to create one query. Greater than 80%, it will trigger alert. Like, for example, some EC2 instance utilizing CPU in more than 80%. In alert rule, I can write after
I
more
think we
than
need to
utilizing.
write all these things, or
Yes, we need to write all these things. In CloudWatch, in CloudWatch side, CloudWatch alarms is there.
okay.
Or in Grafana, Mimir, in this kind of
Yeah.
things, we need to create one
If
rule
in case
in
the
alert rule.
90%, if it is critical, we need to inform someone else, or we need to
Yeah, no,
take care
no,
of
we
this
need
thing.
to. It will automatically mail will trigger in Outlook.
Yeah, mail will trigger if we suppose this alert is critical at 95%
Yes,
breach.
yes,
So
it,
in
it
this
will
scenario,
yes,
in
yes.
this
In my
scenario, we
environment
need to
using Teams also. In my environment using Teams also.
Teams also. In these scenarios, we can perform anything from our end, or if any other team will take care of this for CPU utilization, all kind of things.
Actually, in real time, whenever it will utilizing 90%, auto scaling group create another node.
Surendra, like for example, what is running inside that? Let's say, for example, if one Java application Tomcat is running, and then that application I need to observe. Like for example, Surendra, can you hear us?
Yes, Anna.
So let's say, for example, let's say you are the Oracle background. If I'm running Oracle and EC2, for example,
Okay.
I don't. My knowledge is still cloud only. Then
Okay.
I need to report to them. Hey, there is something. Whatever my capability, I'll check it further. I'll navigate to them. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, that is what our job. Creating all this setup is our job. Till whatever I check, I can check it. The CPU says something, then I will navigate that request to their team. That's not my job.
Okay.
They have to fix it.
Okay. Okay.
My job is to the alert has to be
Thanks,
resolved. Till that alert resolved, I'll be back. I mean, I'll be behind them. They solve this issue, something like that.
Okay.
That
Thanks,
is
Anna.
the question, right? You are asking.
Yes, Anna.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, Anna.
Actually, observability is trying to showing the data. It is not solving the data. And solving the problem it is like trying to showing the what is the wrong in the environment. Observability is not try to solving. There is some other team is there for solving these issues.
Yeah.
Thanks, Sai.
So Purna here, if you go little further, no? Go little further. No, further, top. So you selected the namespace EC2, the under metric name CPU.
Yes.
Now, why did you select star there? Instance ID equal to star.
Yes, all instances are coming.
Okay.
Because if we select any one instance, here in below we need to select the instance IDs.
Okay.
All metrics.
This data we can see for how many days? Like 1 month also can we see for last 1 month?
Actually,
2 months.
how much time in CloudWatch available? All the data is showing in Grafana side also.
Okay, depends on CloudWatch.
It is only depends on CloudWatch. Like here, like mostly CloudWatch. I think more in CloudWatch 30 days data is there. Like you select the CPU utilization, no? Network in, network out. This the networking, how much?
Yeah, Sai, one more question. Suppose I have some problem in a song. So, suppose for example,
Sorry.
2 o'clock, I have some problem.
Surendra, your voice is
So
breaking, Surendra.
we
Sorry.
need to select the time for logs for 2 to 2:05 or 2 to 2:32 at 2 o'clock. Okay. Yeah.
Surendra, if your voice
Hello.
is not
Audible?
It's breaking in between, Surendra. It's breaking.
Audible, no?
Yeah, it's good now. Yeah.
Suppose suppose I have some issue at 2 o'clock. I want to find the logs 2 to to 5 intervals. Is there any settings is available in Grafana? Suppose I have issues 2 o'clock. I want to find the logs 2 to 5.
Okay, yeah, it is a possible. I will tell you after
Okay.
I'll import one dashboard. I will tell you. There is a time
Okay.
adjustment is there. You want any some you actually your doubt is I want to logs from 2 to 3. Yes, it is possible.
Well, any intervals.
Yeah, any interval it possible. In even 1 second logs also it possible. That particular time.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I will tell you actually.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks, Anu.
Yeah, wait. I will import one dashboard. Import.
For the people, right? So Grafana will give you in the real time also we use the same real time in the sense like regular our work also. We don't write some queries. There are free dashboards available given by the Grafana. We download those. We will import like this. So you no need to do from scratch anything. They did a
Yes, yes.
good work for us. Just we will reuse them their dashboards as is like this. Yeah.
Yes. Actually, this is the dashboard. Actually, I am also imported default dashboard and do something in dashboard for user friendly. Yeah, this is the production account. You think that in this account, select the region AP South 1, this which is Mumbai. In this instance, there is a in this account, there is a 5 instance is there. This is the our instance. As of now, our instance using 0.401 percentage of CPU utilization. CPU credit balance. Disk, yeah. Disk read bytes, disk write bytes, networking, network out, network packets out, network packets in. Like need to select another instance. Tomcat.
So yeah, how did this production name came there? How did it came? The name? Did you
In the
give?
data source I mentioned in production
Okay,
only.
okay, okay. Good.
You told now one thing I will tell you.
So is it like the regional level? Let's say, for example, I want to see so other region, automatically they'll come, or do I need to do extra things for that?
No. Actually, I hard coded this.
Yeah, that's what I had it out. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Somewhere you kept
Actually,
US. Yeah,
I am service is global service now.
yeah.
By default, all regions data is coming.
Okay, okay, yeah.
For real time, there no need to all regions data.
Okay, okay, got you. Acha, acha. This default dashboard has been hard coded it. Okay.
Yes, I had
So if you
AP
import
South
this
one.
dashboard, everything will come as is. We no need to do
Yeah.
anything. Yeah.
Yes. Good dashboard. And do some. If you want anything, go to the edit tab and do something here. Like need to change the color, need to change the graph width, a point size. All things are easy. It is a very easy. Like this is a like phone options.
Yeah. Yeah, I think
For example,
I mentioned like this here. If it is more than 80, it will show in the red color for my
yes, I will. I'll tell you.
sure.
Here now CPU utilization is 0.43 na. For example, here mention
It's mentioned 0.
0.2.
It will show
It
in
is
red.
showing red color
Awesome. Yeah.
like this. For example, in my environment, after 80%, it's showing red color by default. Uh, Here it's showing. For example, someone is asking, I want a specific time logs, specific time metrics, like this. You need to arrange the time span. How much time you want? For example, I want time to what
Okay.
is the time?
So meantime, like why you are using Grafana? Why can't you use directly CloudWatch?
Actually, Anna, CloudWatch, there is a custom dashboards are not available. Like CloudWatch metrics, CloudWatch dashboards are not user friendly. Actually, many of developers using this metrics. Many of developers do not have a access for AWS account.
Okay. Okay.
That's why using Grafana, create the Grafana access everyone. It is not any dangerous.
Yeah. Yeah.
We give the AWS account access to the developers. Developers not have ID and AWS account. There is any chances to delete the instance. If developers delete the instance, all production environment will happen.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's why using this Grafana.
So one is, for example, nice GUI, like this GUI we
Yes,
can.
nice GUI.
Yeah. Second is
In
the access.
same metrics in CloudWatch also available, but CloudWatch this much user friendly is not available. Actually in my environment, my manager told one time, even 7 years kid also come to our environment. He able to understand what metrics are available, what metrics are not available, how it is utilization. This is a main requirement.
Okay.
Mostly user friendly dashboards are created in my environment.
Okay.
Like CloudWatch also use that metrics, but this much UI is not available in CloudWatch.
Okay. This
Like
is, yeah. So this is the CloudWatch browser dashboard, the default dashboard, what you are using.
yes, this is the default dashboard. I did some changes.
Okay. Any other dashboards do you recommend for CloudWatch? Any, like, other than this, any?
Yeah, there is many dashboards available in Grafana Labs. There is a website is Grafana Labs.
So which one you guys
They-
like? You guys were using any other than this?
Actually, anyone is import the default dashboard and some modifications, do some modifications
Okay.
like require for our environment.
Okay. Okay. I mean, can you recommend other, which one you guys? So this is the CloudWatch CloudWatch browser one. Which one do you guys will be using regularly other than this?
Actually, in my environment, using mostly custom dashboards.
Okay, you guys created yourself. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, actually, requirement come some team. I
Okay.
created the some dashboards. Now we are using only one account CloudWatch metrics. I try to use another account CloudWatch metrics also in this Grafana and created the IAM role now. Okay. And go to the role here and copy the role here and IAM.
Purna, like what kind of issues on regularly you will be faced?
What kind of issues means? Okay. Mostly sometimes data is not coming. Sometimes. If sometimes data is not coming in the dashboard, we try to choose the what is the issue in dashboards, what is the issue in any issue in the IAM role.
Mhm.
Like if data is not coming, some development team raise the one mail and see
Mhm.
that mail after what is the issue, how it is, how to solve it issue like
Like
that.
data issues frequently will be faced.
No. The frequently is not coming. Frequently not getting that issue. Sometimes.
Okay. And
Actually,
regularly, so
mostly
what kind of issues currently you are facing?
regularly means actually there is a pod related and actually my environment is up and upon cluster level there is a pod
Okay.
restart.
Yeah. If in case
Actually
any pod is down, and then automatically will trigger this alarm.
no pod is at the if any pod will down that metric sorry that alerts also come to that particular team member who integrates that environment. If any pod will goes down or any services goes down, our alert manager trigger to that particular person to Outlook mail.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks, Purna.
So, Surendra, for example, I'll tell you my ENV. We monitor everything from Grafana, like RDS, S3 buckets, EC2, Elastic Cache, EC2s, And then yes, extra things are the Kubernetes. If any one metrics among them becomes as anomaly, we will get an alert. Recent issues, right? Obviously, like the RDS will be somewhere CPU usage spike, cache
Okay.
maybe the application, or sometimes some users will be facing 500 error, like 500 your error something, right? So
Yeah.
let's say if 500 are within 1 hour, like within half an hour, or like maybe within 5 minutes, more than 100, 500 errors comes, we will send an alert. Like this kind of issues we will get regularly. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, this kind of suppose connection timed out and DNS probe error. This kind of information also we can able to see in this logs.
If you are monitoring the URLs, right? That's what you were
Yeah,
saying.
yeah.
No, connection DNS error, like from where to where? Like for example, DNS error.
For example, for static web page in load balancer, just we have copied a public URL and pasted into the browser. Then we got one error, DNS probe error. So that this kind of errors
No.
also we can able
That is
to
the client
see.
level, right? Client level error,
Okay.
you cannot get it. That error.
Okay.
Let's say, for example, your application is calling other endpoint. If that application error is having that, you can see. Client level error, you cannot see that. Like some. Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, in my environment, EC2 instance attached to the some database. If there is any happen between EC2 to database, in my environment using tracing component, like monitoring, tracing, logging. Like tracing is a what is the how there is a connection loss between EC2 instance to that database. It is a clearly showing UI.
Okay.
Where is the connection is lost? What is the error?
Okay.
Like that component name is tracing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks, thanks, Anna.
No.
If any error between tracing, that also alert will trigger.
Yeah. Go ahead, say that cross account integration.
Yeah. Now I go to the cross account.
I think this is the one they'll ask in the interview question. One of the cross account. Guna, do you ask that? Guna, you there? Think our guys they'll ask this kind of question, I think. Yeah, you are copying a role.
First copy this ARN number. ARN number is emergent resource number. Now go to the another account. Copy and paste them here.
Puna, that is root account.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like you consider as a previous account is considered as a production account. This considered as a pre-production account. No need to create another EC2 instance, another Grafana in this account. We need to simply create one IAM role attached to that particular production account. It is able to scrape that Grafana, also this CloudWatch metrics. go to the IAM. Create role. Create role. Here we will take the custom policy. In the custom policy, create some configuration. Add some configuration like this.
No, Puna, just help us this to understand. This is important, right? When you are getting this policy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Using this, I am. Wait, I will tell you. Yeah, this is the custom policy. In custom policy, create one IAM configuration. In this IAM configuration, give that production account ARN number. That means this role used by that production account.
So this is a trust policy, not like regular policy. Right? Then
Yes, trust
if you go,
policy. This
if you go top now, if you go little top, yeah. The regularly we used to select the no, acha, the AWS service. Now we are selecting the trust policy. Yeah.
trust policy. This means this role used to that production account.
Yeah, you are trusting between those two.
Yes, trusting between those two.
Okay. So 80 is the production account. 80 is the
Yes, 80 is the production account and change the ARN number.
Yeah.
This is the our ARN number of that production account. Production account IAM role ARN number. After that, create the next. This IAM role integration is very important. CloudWatch to Grafana. Total depending on this IAM role configuration only metrics will come. If any doubts, ask me. It is a very some tricky.
Sorry. From where you got that ARN number in the previous screen? That production ARN number you said.
Yes, production ARN number is available in production. After creating that role, ARN number is available now.
For EC2 you are saying?
No,
sorry.
I created one.
Just now we are using two accounts just now here. Account 1, account 2. From account 1, the IAM role, he brought it to account 2. That is the account 1 IAM role.
Okay.
This is the
IAM ARN
this is the because this is the account 1 ARN role. In account 1, you created one role, na Grafana CloudWatch integration. I copied that role and paste here in this between this configuration because that production account able to scrape these metrics also because this is trust policy between account production account and pre-production account. This is considered as a pre-production. Previous account is considered as a production account. This is a Pratyusha account is considered as a pre-production.
Okay, Sai. Got it.
Grafana, CloudWatch.
Also, can we attach this policy to many accounts, right?
Yes. This policy account, if for example, in after some days another account is come na same configuration did the same account that account.
Okay.
If 100 accounts also come na 100 account also able to
with the same ARN number, right?
No, same ARN number because our EC2 instance is available in production account na.
Yes. Okay. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. Grafana CloudWatch. Create the IAM role. And here also added that policy, same policy. This one. Here go to the attached policy.
Oh, this one you already created, right? Previously.
Yes, already created. Same policy.
Okay.
Add permission. Yeah. Now, legend, it is some confusion. Copy this ARN. This is the pre-production account. Copy this ARN. Copy this ARN, paste somewhere.
07. Okay.
Now go to the IAM role. This is a production account. This is the first I created one role in this account. CloudWatch integration. This is my role. In this role, attach policy or create inline policy also. Simply select the JSON. Add this configuration. I will tell you why this adding this role. This is the pre-production ARN number. Pre-production role ARN number. Yeah, this is the assume role. This account is assumed by pre-production role also. We give the cross account permission. Na? This account is assume pre-production role. Then only metrics will scrape. Policy name. Grafana.
Say assume role.
Assume. Okay. Assume.
Yeah, that's okay. Leave it. Not a problem.
Okay. Copy this ARN. This is the pre-production ARN number. And go to the Grafana. Connections in data source. CloudWatch. Add new data source in CloudWatch. Here, paste the ARN number. Anna, here I mention name.
Yeah, I got it.
Pre-production.
Yeah.
After that, save and test. After go to our dashboard. This is our dashboard.
Awesome.
Paste out one. Yeah. This is the pre-production instances are coming. See here in dashboard. In pre-production, there is a 4 instances is there. In the production, there is a 5 instances there. This is the instance names. Dash.
I
See.
have a doubt, Anna.
Yeah, tell me.
Suppose if we created one more instances in the AWS account in pre-production or production, does
Yeah,
that
yeah.
instance can be shown
Yes,
here?
yes. I will show you. Simply, I will create another EC2 instance.
Means defaultly it can be shown in the instance.
Default it is showing. Default is showing.
Okay.
Yeah, simple. I created one EC2 instance. I will tell you. Actually, which metrics are available in CloudWatch? All metrics are showing in here.
Okay.
I created one EC2 instance in launch EC2 instance. Yeah, tell me any name for EC2 instance. Hello.
Like for Prometheus.
Prometheus. Prometheus creating an EC2 instance.
This Grafana will pull logs for any type of AMI like Linux, Windows, anything.
Yeah. Don't see Grafana side. Which metrics is available in CloudWatch? All metrics is showing Grafana side. If CloudWatch not able to scrape those metrics, Grafana also not able to scrape those metrics.
Okay.
Actually, copy and paste. What metrics is available in CloudWatch? Copy and paste here. That I am doing. Create a production. Prometheus. See, Prometheus matrix is coming. Prometheus is name showing here, na? Production account Prometheus, but it is scraping 2-3 minutes. That just now only instance is created. Within seconds it is showing.
Yeah.
Wait some time, it is showing graph matrix also. Anyone have any doubts related to observability?
But suppose if
Actually,
this Grafana URL is not working, so how can we troubleshoot, Anna?
Yeah, if Grafana URL is not working, go to the EC2 instance, check the security groups, check the instance status checks is failed, or heavy, or see the and log into the SSH. What happened in the EC2 instance? Grafana is working or not? Grafana is active or not? Any happen is there? Like that, those steps are doing in my environment. And simply log into the SSH and see the status, Grafana status. It is active or not? And see the security groups. And see the instance status checks. Any load is there? Any heavy load in the Grafana? If RAM CPU more utilization of Grafana also, you need to change the family type of that particular EC2 instance. Actually, initially in my Grafana, I have give the 4-core CPU. Many of users using Grafana, it is utilizing more than 4 cores. I stop the instance sometime and change the family type.
Okay.
Like increase the cores of CPU like that.
Okay, thanks.
So even Grafana instance also you can create with any AMI, right?
Yes, yes. It is
Only
clear.
3000 is the port number. That's it.
Yes,
We have to
yes.
allow. Yeah.
Yes, yes. In my environment, this instance is attached to the load balancer.
Yeah. Oh, that I understand, but we have to allow 3000. That's it.
Yes, we have to allow 3000. In load balancer to Route 53,
Yeah.
customized name grafana.com. In my company is criselgrafana.com, like that.
Understand. Yeah. That part I understand. Thanks.
Yes. Yeah, ask me any observability doubts, how it in any environment real time doubts. I will try to.
So let's say, what is the task you got yesterday? Yeah, like for example, like Friday, or like what is the task you get? What task you got last, for example, last 1 week or last 1 day, say?
Last 1 week. Actually, in my environment, in using CloudWatch, those metrics, RDS, Elastic Cache, MSK, EC2,
Okay.
in all metrics using CloudWatch only. In using Grafana integration, I created some custom dashboards. So, team is required to create the custom dashboard. For example, last day I got one task Q plus Q. There is a in production one development team is there, that is a Q plus Q development. They are asking, I want hard custom dashboard. In for example, there is in production there is a 780 EC2 instance is there. The team asked to us, I want to a static dashboard for my instance only. That dashboard showing my instance only, not need to another EC2 instance. I created the one custom dashboard, give to them. I given them.
Okay, so your job is here, like majority your job is to work on the observability part only, not to, like for
Yes,
example,
yes.
application setup, not that job. Okay, that's
Yes,
what.
yes. In observability, there is a not small thing. In observability, there is a three things. One is a monitoring, one is logging, another one is tracing. Actually, in my team, there is a 5 members is there.
Okay. So, Sudhindra, I think you were asking yesterday this question, right? Like, I think yesterday someone was asking this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So you see, right? They have separated the team itself.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Sai, like how many EC2 missions you guys are monitoring from one Grafana? Like for example, any count? With
Any count more than 400 Anna. More than 500
that
in one
means
Grafana.
how many AWS accounts?
More than 10 accounts actually, because dev, QA, production, pre-production.
Okay, so for Grafana, you guys are using one Grafana for all the environments, or like how many?
No. Each and every environment different Grafana. In dev is a different Grafana, QA is different Grafana, pre-production is different Grafana, production is different Grafana.
Okay. Production, how many EC2 missions you guys are monitoring?
Actually, in production, 50 more than 200 Anna, in production.
Okay. Then dev, for example, dev.
Dev it is our hands. Sometimes more than dev also 100 EC2 instance is there. Anna.
Okay,
Actually,
then
different teams is there. They are testing in dev environment. Actually, yesterday I got in Teams call. In my directors told that, for example, in production they're paying 2 crores. In remaining all environment they're paying 4 crores. There is a remaining all environments double amount they are paying.
Yeah.
Like for testing.
Okay. So you guys wanted to stop in the weekends or night time? Is that some plan?
Yes. In dev QA pre-production, there are every day after 8, no, after 10 they are stopping. In the morning 8:30 they will start.
Okay, like you use some automation tool for that, is it? Some kind of scripts or something?
Yes, there is some tool is there.
Okay. Yeah, guys, please you can ask the questions the real time, whatever you have some thoughts to ask, right? Please go ahead.
Actually real time, no, other than observability I will try to tell that. Other than observability also, you ask any doubts.
I think Sunday, the festival time, I think our guys are.
Actually, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like we are having 400 instances. For example,
Yes.
if one of the instance having running more than 80 or 90% CPU, then how we will check that which instance is utilizing more CPU?
Yeah, there is
Like
in
on
my
the Windows.
environment. Yeah, there is a one configuration. One tool is there, Alert Manager.
Okay. Yes.
In Alert Manager, I created the one rule. Um, for example, that query is CPU utilization greater than 80%. I added some rule. That is the rule. Which that Alert Manager every time is checking which instance is more than utilizing 80%. Which instance every 5 minutes the Alert Manager is checking which instance is more than utilizing 80%. If Alert Manager find any EC2 instance, it is checking 2 minutes. I give the 2 minutes interval time. It's 2 minutes continuously. The TC2 instance utilizing 80 by more than 80%. Within 5 seconds, alert will trigger to that particular person. Like in EC2 instance, in real time, there is a owner is there. Actually, what is your name?
Lalita.
Lalita. You are the, for example, you are the, in your environment you are running the Flipkart application. In your in Flipkart application you have a 40 EC2 instances there. In 40 instance, any instance is more than 80%, the mail triggered to your personal, sorry, your Outlook mail ID, and we mention your team members mail also, we mention in Alert Manager. It mail will trigger.
So Lalita, what we do is, you get an, for example, there is a, with this Grafana, right? We integrate with Alert Manager also behind. There is one tool separated like Grafana. It can be your personal ID or your team ID. We will configure that one email template. You will get that link also, direct link also. If you open that link, it will redirect you to directly to the EC2 machine also.
Okay, sir.
I mean to
Then so
say.
we have to inform that alert is coming when, to whom we need to inform
Yeah, like
this
you
thing.
see normally, like who is, so our job is to, like, at least you have to do little debugging. Debugging in the sense, CPU, which you got, for example, you got a CPU. Now go inside that EC2 machine, for example, and then see which process is consuming the highest CPU. If it is some application something, then tell that application something, for example. You have to see that which process, till that level you have to go. Yeah. If it is
We
Apache,
have
then we will inform to the Apache team or Tomcat, specific application, whoever using that EC2, to that team we will inform.
okay, sir.
Sai, can you please provide document for this one and how
Yeah,
to link?
I will share you. I will share you total document, policy, permissions, IAM role configuration, and Grafana.
Yeah,
So
step-by-step process, how to
Yes, I will share
set
you.
up the.
I will share. Yes, I will
Yeah.
share.
in this setup, right,
Yeah.
they'll ask you the interview questions are like, I would say, what are the monitoring tools? The basic question they ask you. The other one was the metric
Okay.
one. What are the metrics you guys are monitoring it? Right now we showing the CPU, but you can say that the CloudWatch thing, everything. And then did you work on the custom dashboard creation something? After a few days, like you habituated AWS account, right? The console. Same way, if you habituate for Grafana, this UI, you will get the adaptability. That is the one thing. Three questions, and then the cross
Yeah.
account IAM role. Cross
Yes,
account
cross
IAM
account
role
is
is
very important.
very important.
Many of interview asking in future there is a new AWS account is coming. How do you integrate that? Like how you integrate the new AWS account to Grafana, and they are asking in interview questions.
Sai, for this cross account we saw, right? Production and pre-production. Those are different environments, right? For same
Yes.
environment, do we have multiple AWS accounts or?
Same environment. Yes, same environment also sometimes using multiple accounts. Actually, in my environment, in pre-production, there is a using 4 AWS accounts.
Okay.
Actually, that a time, yeah, for deployment using one AWS account, for application running one AWS account. Like that a time you mention the name, deployment production account, deployment application account, like production account. Sorry, deployment production account, application production account. Like you mentioned that name,
So
naming
for
convention.
example, for pre-production, you said 4 AWS accounts, right?
Yes,
But
yes,
Grafana will be there in only one EC2 machine for one account, but
yes,
all
yes,
other
yes,
accounts are like cross.
yes, 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 exactly.
Okay.
In pre-production, in my environment, production also in my environment, not my environment, mostly all environment, pre-production and production copy paste, which data in pre-production, production also same. In my environment, in pre-production, there is a 4 accounts is there. In my environment, I deployed one EC2 instance in one account to make the cross account all 4 accounts in getting the data in one EC2 instance. Like now I'm did the some configuration in my environment also did the same 4 accounts.
Any number of accounts it is allowed, for example, 10,
Sorry?
like data will become more, right? If we have more AWS accounts and having
Yes,
one.
yes. That is depending on Grafana CPU and RAM. If you have
Okay.
any more accounts, we need to increase RAM and CPU for Grafana.
Okay.
So in my environment, almost I think I remember, I think 24 CPU or almost like 128 GB something we are using for one Grafana. That we are having vast.
Because using this centralized,
Yeah.
no need to go to the each and every AWS account. No need to log in. Like here, filter is there. Go to the pre-production. Within seconds, you go to the pre-production production.
So okay.
How you do tracing and logging and all? How you download logs with tracing?
Yeah, there is in logging. I'm using Fluentd, Loki.
So, Josna, I'll take that separate session, Josna, for now. Okay.
Yeah, in
Okay.
future.
I'll take that separate
In
section, logging one. I'll take it there.
Yeah.
This is- So
Tracing using Tempo.
okay.
Yeah, Prometheus data is coming. See, I did not did anything. By default, Prometheus EC2 instance data also coming here.
Thank you, Purna. Let's go with the so as you said that what is the task you got is last week was custom dashboard creation. Can you create one
Yes, custom dashboard creation.
Can you create one custom dashboard? How do you do something? If you
Okay. Yeah, here add visualization. Like create AWS EC2.
I think we have RDS also. If you want to create RDS also.
Yes, but RDS is not there, I think.
No, it is
Now
there. It is there. RDS is
it is
there.
there. Okay. It is there. I will.
Yeah.
AWS. RDS.
Yeah.
Yeah, RDS CPU utilization. Our RDS name is this. Yeah, app RDS.
Yeah.
Yeah, RDS CPU utilization. See.
This is the wizard creation you did. Yeah.
Yes. Here, put the transparency. Like this. This is very simple. This tool is very using simple configurations is there. Just it like mobile options. Like and fill the color. like this, and go to the save the dashboard. This is the RDS instance CPU utilization. Go to the duplicate one. Go to edit and using stack. It is a custom data. It is current data is showing here for using stack.
Oh, nice.
None. Put the color here. Color scheme. There it is. Yeah, color mode, background color.
Yeah. So your job is to like create these dashboards and then give it to the team. Is that the
Yes. Like in my environment, each Grafana there is a more than 40 dashboards, Anna.
okay?
Like created centralized dashboards.
Okay.
Actually, our requirement is coming. See the dashboard. Which instance having a problem at a time, user able to see in one click, able to see what is the problem. That type of requirements is coming.
Okay.
Like how to create most user friendly dashboards.
Okay. Yeah.
In like this the
Purna, yeah,
uh,
here red color, that means the CPU utilization is more, no?
yes.
So once you create the dashboard and automatically we can able to see the colors. Based on that we can identify it,
Yes, identified.
and automatically logs also will be provided where we can see the
Yes.
logs.
Logs also available.
Correction.
I think there is
In
one.
the Explorer.
I created one flow logs long back. You can check that. Yeah, logs also created. It.
Okay.
You can check.
Here, go to the Explore section. Here, AWS logs. This is the by default query. Select the log group.
Yeah, I created.
This one,
Yeah, that is the one. Yes, I created a one-time flow logs only. I think something.
Yeah, this is the logs.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. This is the flow log data. VPC flow log data. I did.
This is the flow log data.
Every time we can separate flow log. Suppose attachment. For example, if we have some issues and Kubernetes have some issues, okay. In that scenario, so each and every time we can create a separate dashboards or
No. Every time not created separate dashboards. Initially created some dashboards. If any modifications are, if development team asking any modifications, I will create remodify the dashboards. Every time not created that much dashboards.
Okay.
And our job is not created only dashboards. There is a many issues is coming in the production and pre-production.
Okay.
There is a integration issues is coming. I'm not depending on only one component. There is a 3 components is there. One is logging, one is I told you, logging, tracing, monitoring. If any pod will down in my environment, actually there is a more than 10 cluster in each environment. If any pod will down, I'm the responsible person.
Okay. Thanks, Sai.
Only in my job, there is a 30 to 40% creating the dashboards. Remaining 70% is some other responsibilities is there. Actually, I told you, in my team, there is 5 members. Every day, one person is able to do the support. If any problems come from the developers, one person is able to responsible for the support. For example, you are a developer. You have facing in logs related issue. You ping in the teams or you ping in the our mail I'm responsible. I'm connected to you and sort out that problem. Logs, why logs are not coming in our application? Like that. In every week there is a 5 working days. Each day one person is support for related to observability.
Yeah, thank you, Purna. Do we have some guys here? I wanted to ask you. Guna, like we have one guy. I don't want to leave him. Let's ask him. Guna, what questions do you ask if I come with this same setup? Like for example, what questions do you ask, Guna, here on the Grafana part? What questions you will be asking in the interview?
For example, let's say that I have a bunch of missions, like I have some team development, like team, like integrations team. I want to monitor all the only integrations missions, and I want visibility of only integration missions, and you should have permission to only integration mission only.
Oh, okay, okay. So what is that? Let's say for example, there is a team. They cannot see other EC2 missions. You mean that's what you're saying?
Yeah, they can do whatever further TC2 missions, but they don't want to to edit other teams' TC2 missions. But for that, for them, they can do whatever they want.
No, you are
For
asking AWS console or in the Grafana thing?
in the Grafana.
Okay, okay, okay. Purna, you have some answer for that?
Anna, can you tell me again, Anna? I did not understand the actual question.
Purna, please.
Yeah, I have some teams like integrations, data engineering team, like development, and
Okay.
and I want to see the instance of the only my development team. Like for example, let's say I'm from integrations. I want to see only integrations team, and I want to configure alerts for only my team.
Yeah,
I can
it is a possible.
I can edit my team as well, but I don't want other team. I can view that permission, but I shouldn't have any permission to edit the options of integration other than integrations.
Actually, in my environment, I give the read-only access to the Grafana read-only access to developers. They did not edit anyone. If any requirements come to us, they told requirement. If alerts also, if any alerts if we add the any email ID, any new things also, they are coming to us. We also added some configurations. Like if you only access particular dashboard, previously I created the static dashboard for particular team, like that.
I think something, Guna, you are asking behind some RBAC how it works. Is that something RBAC thing only? No?
Not like how can I just make sure that like like some teams are interested only in their missions. Like they want to monitor only their instances. Like they can't go to every instance and they can validate whatever the instances having for that integration team. They want to validate. Like they want to check in only that instances.
So we can create a custom dashboard, right? And then for their team
Yeah.
only. So I'll give the kind of level. I mean to say behind some RBAC is there. I'll give that RBAC only to that custom dashboard. That works, right?
Yes.
Okay. Is that the same?
Actually, in my environment, there is more than that 20 more than 20 applications are running. We did not create any specific user specific dashboards like cloud engineering team using cloud instance only, like not created like kind of things. We created the centralized, anyone able to see the other application data also.
Okay. I mean, I think Guna is asking more I think what I was asking Guna, what questions Guna can ask? Like he's asking, right? Recently he's taking the interviews and all. So he'll be asking other people, right? That's what my object. Guna, any other? Like ask like 2 more questions. What questions do you ask the people whoever comes to interview? This is the one. Second one. Any?
Like how do you troubleshoot? Like for example, let's say that my instances are not coming. Like how do you troubleshoot the things?
What metrics? Sorry.
Yeah, my metrics are not coming up. How
Okay,
can I troubleshoot
metrics.
things?
I go to the cloud. First, I go to the cloud. What metrics are available or not in the AWS console. If AW in CloudWatch metrics is not available in CloudWatch side. In Grafana also not showing. Definitely, if CloudWatch in CloudWatch console metrics are available, Grafana in Grafana console not available. I troubleshoot. But first I troubleshoot. There is an integration between CloudWatch to Grafana. There is IAM role. I see the IAM role. Someone is deleted the IAM role like that. And I go to the data source in Grafana data source. Data source is configured correct or not. Someone is deleted or anything is goes wrong. And I check the EC2 instance healthy or not. This kind of things I did for troubleshooting. For especially integrated with the CloudWatch to Grafana.
Thank you, Purna. I think thanks a lot. Guna, you want to talk? Go ahead, please.
No, thanks. That's it.
Yeah, cool.
Anna, this is your in instance RDS logs. Anna, RDS also you install right this account.
Yeah,
This
yeah. I enabled, I think so.
RDS logs also came in.
Yeah, I
With
did some.
only one integration, all metrics are coming, which available in CloudWatch side.
Yeah, I did some error log thing. I enabled last time when I created RDS. Yeah. Hey, guys, if you have no questions, then we can wind up for today. Thank you, Purna. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have a good day, guys. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.